Are you tired of being level 1 crook on your boring, lame, uncool bike? Yeah, me too. So I got this free bike from Scrapyard. Doesn't make sense? Do not worry, I got a plan. Now follow me as I turn this into a beast. Start with disassemble. Remove spacers. Unscrew head nuts. Be ready that bearings will come off when you remove the fork. Unscrew the bottom bracket. Preferably with right tool, or struggle as me with the adjustable pliers. It is an old bike, and to remove bottom bracket I am using professional tools. And again I was struggling with a pair of pliers. Time to remove these unnecessary things and these with angle grinder. Results better than I anticipated. To get more sexy points, I want to remove paint to reveal natural beauty of bare metal. Looks kinda good, but I know we can make it gooder with bare hands and sandpaper. Just grind it only in one direction. Admire the beauty. Shiny. So my main plan is to make this machine into single speed, but you know, we are on a tight budget. So... angle grinder! Also the other side. What a perfection. But it looks kinda old and scratched. We have to repaint it alongside the protection coating on our shiny frame. Can't forget to cover important parts. Boring. Paint time! And more! I will tell you my other secret to make this bike prettier. Okay, now let's continue single speed conversion. If I spent more money on the right tools, removing this coke would be easy. That's not the way we do things here. That looks easy too, right? Well, it took me like 3 days just to remove the wretched wheel, and the remainder, I couldn't get it loose, and you already know what that means. Angle grinder! Now finally I can put the new coke on, but let's lube it this time if I ever change my mind. Now this shit. Tubulars. With my free bike I got these fancy wheels, and for some dumb reason I stick to it. And my cheap ass bought this sticky tape for mountain bike instead of for the road bike as I should have, because it was cheaper. I thought it will be easy to just put it on and cut the excess off. Don't do that! It was pain. Now let's assemble. Bottom bracket. Loop! More loop! I don't want to scratch it up, so I use towel as protection. Fork time. Loop the bearings. Also loop the top. Screw it. Literally. I prefer the style of a new A-head stem. And lucky me, I found out that there are conversion systems. Extra wide bars from mountain bike, deliberately to make car drivers anxious when they see me cut through the traffic. I'm kinda tall, and I noticed way too late that this frame is way too small for me. Nothing long seat post can't fix though. I heard that these are required, nerds. And yeah, I will leave them crooked just for you. Finally, time to assemble our masterpiece we made earlier. Game. Fitting the chain to the right size was such a pain. I didn't have the right tools, and I'm embarrassed by my methods. So you are not seeing that. You will see the final assembly though. Ta-ta-ta! This is it. This is the beauty. Now roll the montage. Of course, I'm releasing this 1 year after the assembly, and of course I forgot to film the final product, but at least you can see the patina made even though we painted over it. And honestly, I love it. I love the whole bike. Turned out perfect and I love to ride this bike. If you wanna build yours or you are just curious how I really made it, click the link in the below and download the tutorial.